Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm here today to give you an update on the famous, glorious meme coin that is taking off. And there's some very interesting news that I want to be going over with you guys so you don't miss out on a potential chance to make a lot of goddamn money trading this meme coin. So the coin in question, the coin that we are talking about today, is going to be called, of course, the famous Floki, okay? This is obviously the Floki website. You can go to this in the link is in the description for that. And it is basically the meme that changed to utility. And we've seen it in a lot of reputable sources, currently trading at a market cap of around $2 billion. So it has got some room for growth there. But it's been mentioned in Yahoo Finance, MSN, Fox, CoinGrate, MTV, CoinGecko, obviously loads and loads and loads of reputable brands there. I'm sure you guys know Floki as well. But let's just talk briefly about the ecosystem before we go deep down into the TA side of things here for this asset. So you can see they've actually got play to earn NFT metaverse that they've built here inside the Floki ecosystem. We've got TokenFi, an all-in-one tokenized platform, staking, you've got FlokiFi, you've got NFT collections, you've got prepaid cards, you've got places, okay, merchandise, NFT marketplace, and you've also got a crypto education platform as well, all built into Floki. Pretty crazy stuff. Amazing ecosystem that they have built over the last few years or so. Very, very, very happy with that. From a meme perspective, it is still very, very strong indeed. But let's move over to the TA perspective, and then we're going to sort of hit up the crazy news that I want to be showcasing to you today, guys, because it's very interesting to see what is happening with this asset. So Floki, just in general, from a technical analysis perspective, guys, let's look at this chart. What can we see here? We can see that we've got clear resistance from this level. You can see clear resistance and a breakout scenario. Very, very bullish stuff. And this essentially is a bull flag scenario at the top of an uptrend. We have a downward sloping parallel channel creating a bull flag, creating a breakout scenario. How high can this breakout scenario go? That's the question that everybody is asking. That's the question that we can basically answer here. The potential for this is looking something along the lines of this, guys. Definitely one to watch. 57% on the cards. We have already seen a big chunk of it get tested. But what I'm waiting for here is going to be further continuation, because if we look at the levels here, guys, the support on this horizontal here, support on this horizontal here, and here as well, after that break to the upside, it basically is insinuating here that we've got another move. We've got another juicy move all the way up to this level. Now, in terms of percentages, that is going to be worth, just did that a little bit wrong at the start there, so bear with me. It's going to be worth around 15% to the upside, so very, very bullish overall for Floki to see that come into fruition. Looking pretty good there. Now, if we are talking price predictions here for this asset in the future here, we are on the Binance chart, so we're not going to get that much data, but I do think we're fairly near previous all-time highs here. We can get a chart that has got it. As you can see here, the previous all-time highs here for Floki that we can see is 3.5. Let me just double check on CMC for you guys there and see where we're at. Yep, as you can see, up at around 3 there. So if we're going to do a price prediction, we're just simply going to use the previous all-time high to our advantage here. And then beware, we're going to get into some very, very strong news very shortly. So the price prediction is all the way up to around, it's under 63% to the upside here. Very achievable, may I add. Very, very achievable. Looking pretty good for this asset overall. And the breakout scenario is looking strong here on the Binance chart as we just plotted in there. So good stuff. Now let's get into the news here for Floki. The reason why we're seeing the pumps come in here. The reason why. Let's jump into this and let's see. Floki in news. Big burn. 15.2 billion tokens set to disappear off the face of the earth. Okay, and what that means, guys, what's happened here is Floki has its own DAO. Okay, it's got its own decentralized anonymous organization, and that essentially means where the community can come together and they can vote on certain things to happen. Okay, it's a decentralized organization. That's sort of what the fundamentals of crypto is built on, essentially, which is really, really, really good here. And what the Floki community have done, they've come together and they've proposed that they burn 15.2 billion tokens. Unbelievable. Unbelievable stuff. So what is that going to do to the price? I mean, we've seen Floki in the last day or so, or you can see the over the past 24 hours, we have banged it 4.2%, 13% increase over the previous week here. So it is basically putting a very bullish sentiment on this asset, because if a community is up for burning tokens like this, and they're only burning 15 billion, maybe they're going to burn some more in the future. And it's going to start a bit of a trend. And you know what happens when that happens? A supply shock. And that's when Floki really starts to sail to the goddamn moon here. And you can see there has been previous voting by Floki Inu community to burn tokens. A whopping 190 billion tokens that were revived from multi-chain bridge were voted to be burned by the community in February. Very recently, guys. Okay, so it just shows that the community is on board. This is a bit of a trend here, and everyone is voting to burn these tokens, which is a very, very bullish thing for this asset. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys the potential here, and the reasoning why we probably will see all-time highs get hit fairly soon here for Floki. Okay, but yeah, that is going to be your Floki update today, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Very, very interesting asset as well to see how this is going to explode. But again, if you like the video, smash a like on it. If you like the content, hit that subscribe button, baby, and you're never going to miss one of our uploads. It's as simple as that, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching. That's going to be it from me. Peace out. See you in the next one.